In this video, let us see the working of universal gates followed by their Verilog codes. So coming to universal gates, there are of two types. First one is called as NAND gate and second one is called as NOR gate. So let us go with NAND gate first. So coming to NAND gate. So NAND gate is nothing but it contains an AND gate followed by a NOT. So generally we know the symbol of AND gate. It looks something like this. So AND gate which contains two inputs. So here two inputs if I take as A and B and one output which is Y, I can write it like this. So output Y is equal to A dot B. Now if I want NAND gate, I can do this like this. So first put an AND gate which contains two inputs A and B and output is nothing but Y. Okay, now for this I'll attach one more gate which is called as NOT gate. See here, I'll put a NOT gate and here I'll take output. Now if I write the boolean expression for this, so here it is A dot B and after passing through NOT gate it becomes A dot B whole bar. So finally I'll get Y is equal to A dot B whole bar. So this is NAND gate. So you can observe the boolean expression here, Y is equal to A dot B whole bar. So simply the truth table for this particular NAND gate is simply the reciprocal of the AND gate. So see here truth table. So generally truth table will give the relationship between inputs and outputs. So here if you observe there are two inputs which are A and B and one output which is Y. Okay, I've already told you the formula. So if two inputs are there, so I'll write n is equal to 2 and the number of combinations will be 2 power n, which is nothing but 2 power 2, 4. So I'll get 4 combinations which are nothing but 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this 0, 1, 2 and 3 are nothing but decimal equivalents, and in order to write the binary equivalent for 0, it will be 0, 0, and for 1 it will be 0, 1, and for 2 it will be 1, 0, and for 3 it will be 1, 1. So here if you are still having a confusion, better make a note of positional weight. So this is 2 power 0 and this is 2 power 1. So 2 power 0 is nothing but 1, 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. Okay, better I'll try to erase this. So only I'll write the powers as 2 and 1. So here this positional weight is 2, here it is 1. Suppose if you want to write for 0, it will be 0, 0. For 1 if you want to write, so in this position I want 1. So that's why here I'll write as 1 followed by 0. Next, if I want to write for 2, in this position I'll put as 1, remaining it will be 0. If I want to write 3, so 3 is nothing but 2 plus 1. So that's why in these two positions I'll write 1 and 1. Okay, so I have filled the truth table. Next, in order to write the output, see here, what is the boolean expression? It is Y is equal to A dot B whole bar. Okay, so first better I'll try to write for A dot B. After that I'll write A dot B whole bar. So A dot B means simply 0 into 0. It will be 0. 0 into 1, it will be 0. 1 into 0, it is 0. 1 into 1 will be 1. Next, simply take the complement. So 0 complement is 1. Here also it will be 1, 1. Again, 1 complement will be 0. So you can observe the output, it is 1110. See here, 1110. So here A dot B is for AND gate and A dot B whole bar is for NAND gate. So simply the truth table for this NAND gate is simply the reciprocal of it. See here 0 is replaced with 1, here also 0 is replaced with 1, 0 replaced with 1 and 1 is replaced with 0. So this is a way of writing the truth table. Now let us also solve the K-map for this particular truth table. Let me erase this. So here if you observe two inputs are there, so which are nothing but two variable. So I need to go with two variable K-map. So 2 variable K-map will have 2 power n cells, which is nothing but 2 power 2. So 4 cells I have to make use of. So here I'm drawing a K-map which contains 4 cells, and next we have to write the inputs. So inputs are A and B. So this is A, this is B. Next, so A can have 0 or 1. Similarly, variable B can have 0 as well as 1. So that's why I'm writing here as 0, 1. 0, 1. Next, see the equivalent. 0, 0 equivalent will be 0. Similarly, 0, 1. See here 0 and 1. It will be 1. Next, 1, 0 equivalent is 2. Next, 1 and 1 equivalent is 3. Now here I'll follow a concept called as SOP, sum of product terms. So here minterms should be taken care of. So sum of minterms means sum of some random terms. So some random example I'm taking. So it should be written like this. This is sum of minterms. Okay, this 0, 1, 2 are nothing but minterms. So always make a note that in SOP minterm is represented with 1. Okay. So here concentrate only on ones. In this particular truth table, 1, 1 and 1 is there. So see the equivalent. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So for 0 it is 1 and for equivalent 1 it is 1, for 2 it is 1. So it should be written like this. So y is equal to sum of minterms. So for 0, 1 and 2 it is 1. So I'll write as 0, 1 and 2. Now similar thing I'll plot in K-map. So in the position of 0 put 1. In the position of 1 write 1. In the position of 2 write 1 and here it will be 0. So the next concept is grouping. So here grouping, in order to do the grouping 8, 4, 2, 1, go with this concept. So if 8 ones are there, it is called as octet. If 4 ones are there, it is called as quad. If 2 ones are there, it is called as pair, and this is single. So here 8 ones are not there, 4 ones are not there. So we can go with pair. See here, this is one pair and this is another pair. So the next thing that I have to do is I have to write the equivalent for this. So first I'm writing, so I'm treating this one as first one and this one as second one. So let me write the equivalent for first one. See here, check this position. So it is A bar. So this is A bar. So no need of concentrating on this 0 and 1. Next, if it is vertically grouped means directly you can write as 0, which is nothing but B bar. B bar. So as it is sum of product terms, so it should be written as A bar plus B bar. Okay, this is one way of writing according to De Morgan's theorem. So according to De Morgan's theorem, first rule is A plus B whole bar can be written as A bar dot B bar. Second one, A dot B whole bar can be written as A bar plus B bar. So here we got answer as A bar plus B bar. So this A bar plus B bar can also be written as A dot B whole bar. So this is what we got. Y is equal to A dot B whole bar. So this is the working of NAND gate.